Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, let's learn Chinese grammar, morphology, Chinese verb replication, and you will learn number 1, what is Chinese verb reduplication? Number 2, the patterns of Chinese verb reduplication. Number 3, how to avoid making mistakes. So first, let's learn what is Chinese verb reduplication. So some verbs can be reduplicated in Chinese. They are used to indicate a short duration of action or an attempt to perform an action. But generally, they are only used in oral Chinese. For example, this sentence, you should try how is these shoes. And in Chinese, 你应该试试这双鞋怎么样？你应该试试这双鞋怎么样？ So here, 试试 means try or give a try, trying. And it's a kind of Chinese verb reduplication. So number 2, 你看看这幅画好吗？你看看这幅画好吗？ Would you like to check this painting? And here 看看 and means that see or watch or look. So number 2, the patterns of Chinese verb reduplication. So the first monosyllable and pattern 1, AA or AEA. So first, this one, 看看. You can say look in Chinese, 看看 in oral Chinese, or you can say 看一看. So both okay. And number 2, the listen, how to say listen, 听一听, or you can say 听听, 听一听 or 听听. So this syllable and pattern like AB, AB, and sometimes we use AAB. So the first ABAB, take a rest, how to say 休息休息休息休息. So here this sentence is like just relaxing, or it's when you're talking with your friends and like in normal speaking and oral style, that it's not literally, but you when you see your friend is tired, and you can say 你应该休息休息, you should take a rest. So 你应该休息休息. Or sometimes we can say meet each other, how to say in Chinese 见见面见见面 and give me a hand, 帮帮忙帮帮忙. So 见见面 or 帮帮忙. That's like lovely speaking or cute, very cute. When I was young, I usually used this verb reduplication. Number 3, how to avoid making mistakes. So the first one, 我觉得写写汉字很难. So I feel that writing Chinese character is very hard for me. So here 写写汉字 is not correct. The correct one is that 我觉得写汉字很难. And here you cannot use the verb reduplication because it's literally. Number 2, 我想试试一件衣服. 我想试试一件衣服. And here, when you say this try, 试试, this try, this verb reduplication, you don't need to follow this one clothes. You can't say that. You can't say this. You should say this clothes or that clothes. So the correct one is 我想试试这件衣服我想试试这件衣服. Okay, just you want to try this clothes or this dress. But sometimes, not all verbs have this pattern of verb reduplication. So, like the first, die, 死. Number 2, understand, 懂. Number 3, 忘记. We don't say 忘记 忘记. No, I don't say that. So that's forget, 忘记 forget. Sick, 生病 sick 生病. Here marry, 结婚. Here 成立 set up 成立. So just to remember, not all verbs have this pattern of verb reduplication. So see you next time. Hope you can understand all this content of this class. See you. Bye bye.